Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a good trading day. Let's discuss what's happened today into the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see what was the day today. So we see kind of a big bearish candle today, uh, but still this trend line support is still active and it is not broken. Also, RSI resisted the trend line that we drawn or we are drawing from a long time. So what has happened today exactly? Let's go and see and what we discussed yesterday. So I told you yesterday Nifty has created this SP, single print onto the MP chart. So as soon as this was broke in the morning, we know that okay, the day is it's not looking bullish, but definitely there are signs that there can be a weakness in the market for today. So we were looking at the order flow in the morning, just checking what is happening. But the numbers of contracts that got traded in the morning, they are very low. So if you see for the first session, there were only 200 contracts. Then we had around 3,000. In the second thing, 3,000 contract, 2,500, and in the till half a day it was very less contracts that got traded. So if you see effective contracts were 1100. So we were not having any trade as such, we were just watching and looking at the market. Okay, so what happened after that? So in the afternoon there was a first view that we had is that because there was a big seller that came in with the 900 contracts at this time, and then we thought that okay, it might be that now the markets can go downwards. And then we had seen in the next consecutive 10-15 minutes somebody sold around 2000 contracts here on this level. And then it was very clear for us that okay, the day has turned completely negative. So we entered the puts and we carried till whole day. The puts went four times to three times from this level because we see Nifty has gone more than 100 points after that. So this is how the powerful order flow is. So you don't need to you don't need to enter the trades early in the morning or any time. You just see what is happening intraday and you enter the trades and carry the trades with the conviction. That's how the order flow can help you. So what's the view for tomorrow on Nifty? So as I said, on the charts, we see that we are nearing support. Also, we see there was a high amount of selling in the last session. Also, kind of a good buying also happening. So we are having both buyers and sellers in the market. So definitely we see some more consolidation, and but right now the buyers would be still negative, but still we will see some consolidation for tomorrow. So that's the view. And let's see what happened on the Bank Nifty today. On the Bank Nifty, we are still resisting this trend line and the super trend. So we are still here in the same zone, more from a consolidation point of view. So we'll see what happens in the Bank Nifty today. So yes, definitely in the Bank Nifty also in the morning we saw that SP was broken, and then we see after that it again went above that. It created a double top at the start of and then again this SP level was broken. So we'll see how not only looking at the charts, but when you combine this chart with order flow, how powerful it is. So let me show you in detail what had happened and when we entered the trades today. So it was in the morning. We see that the SP was broken, but if you see the contracts, very less contracts was traded. So there was no big buyer or no big seller that we can see. If you see, you can't see any number like 500 contracts, 700 contracts, 1000 contracts. It's just 151, around 300, 400, in that range. So no big buyer or seller was there in the morning. So we were waiting to get some indications in the morning. So here we saw that okay, somebody started buying, but then this level never got respected, and then we got to know, we were in, we just kept our imagine view as it is negative right now, but we were not having any trade as such because we haven't seen any powerful seller coming in. Okay, so as the day progresses, in between we see that okay, here at this level there was 600 contracts got sold. So it was confirming on the negative side for the trade. And then there was one situation where we see that okay, there were around huge contracts got sold at this level. If you see, and then we got bearish, and after that as well, if you see, the level was 41,500, and after that we saw a down move till to 200 to 50 points, which your options on Thursday went from rupees 30 to 100. Okay, and that's how powerful your order flow charts combined with your market profile, and there you get a big entries, and you can hold it for conviction. So even if you see market try to went up, but never closed above this level, so it went up, but it always came back inside this level. And if you see as the day progresses, we saw more and more selling happening. So 875 contracts, 431 contracts, here 500 contracts around. So there was a big sellers coming in, and here also 502 contracts. So this combined our view, and we got a good trades in the afternoon today. So that's for today. Bank Nifty is still looking strong, not that big selling as kind of a Nifty. Definitely we can see from a charting point of view, the Bank Nifty can test 20 MA, and then we can see a bounce back from there. But now Bank Nifty registers three times spinning the super trend. Earlier also, if you see, the super trend was registered four times in this level. Then again here it tried to go near to that, got sold. Now again here, so chances of breaking at a higher level are more, but we will see. There is no assumption as such. We will combine our order flow analysis once we see what is happening actually on this. So yeah, that's for today for Nifty and Bank Nifty, how it went and what is the kind of a view for tomorrow. Small caps, definitely yes, there was a big selling today, but still, they are still up. So until and unless we, Bank Nifty breaks 20 MA or this chart, I'm not bearish into the market. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so thanks for watching. Just in before we wrap up, the disclaimer for tomorrow. This is our view. You don't need to worry or trade on our view. Uh, you can take your decision before you take any trade or investment decision. So please consult your financial advisor. Don't be dependent on our view that is shown in the video today. So this is the disclaimer for you for tomorrow. As I always say, be passionate about the markets, learn more, and enjoy. Yeah. Thanks. Good time. Bye bye.